Show you really quick how to come up with your message and use Chatgpt. This is going to be the key prompt kind of sequence that you need to figure out how you're selling to people and who you're selling to and how to get your first 20 students fast, because there's no use waiting around when we have all this. The only thing preventing you from getting them is you just don't have the knowledge to use Chatgpt the right way. Just like solving this Rubik's Cube. It takes a long time to solve that first side, but then you got to realize the second layer probably isn't solved. So you have to figure out how to redo the first side the right way so it solves the second layer at the same time. All right, so I put this into Chatgpt, and I'll give this to you if you join my course, or you could just type it in. The only people I work with are blank, blank, and blank, determined to blank within the next blank days without blank. So I put that into Chatgpt. For me, this is how I like to think. It's very, very easy to put that in and then kind of give it some ideas of what I want it to fill it in with, and then it fills it in for me. This is just so much easier for me, so this is why I do that. Okay, so then I said, give me 10 business names for the above. Don't think too much about your business name, but I love using Chatgpt because it comes up with some convincing business names very quickly. And if you don't like these 10, the first 10 that it comes up with, just make another set of 10. Just say, hey, I want a different set. Okay? All right, so I hope this helped. Chatgpt is insanely useful for creating your course and getting it out to people. In the next video, I'll show you how to create all 9 pillars and 27 modules, so that way we can stop thinking about that and start putting content into your course. See you there.